Mark, how are you approaching this market? Indian markets are not far away from an all-time high. The Bank Nifty last week hit an all-time high. For somebody who's not invested in the market right now, according to you, how is the risk-reward ratio stacked up?
I think, one of the things we learned from this session we just experienced, this idea of consciousness and positivity. In other words, the power of positive thinking is so critical when you're investing. Because as you just said, it doesn't make any difference when you're going to be investing. It's a matter of being invested, because in the long run, the markets will go up. There will be periods of bear markets, yes, but in the long run, the bull market will be very, very fruitful for investors. So if you ask me, should we invest now? Yes, we should be invested now. And particularly when we look at India with this incredible growth, 7% growth for a population of over 1.4 billion people. This is an incredible accomplishment. And this, I believe, will continue going forward. So the best time to invest is when you have money.
Mark, first, thank you that you've been part of, the IEC conference from last couple of years. In 2017, when you came for the first edition of IEC in Mumbai, you had one investment in India, then it became two. Last time when we spoke, it is three. This is the fourth time you've come to IEC. So can I say that you have 4 investments in India now?
It's amazing that you remember that. And it's also amazing we now have 4 investments in India.
Yeah. So what are those 4 investments? I only know 3. Apollo, Persistent, and then I've lost the last 2 names.
Well, of course, we have the Apollo.
Yeah, that we know.
The Apollo.
Persistent, you've told us.
I'm not going to tell you what the other one is because we're still buying.
At every IEC, you tell us a name. At every IEC, you tell us a name.
So basically, we're looking at technology fundamentally, and we're looking particularly in the future at hardware, because we believe that although India has made incredible accomplishments in software, India is the leader globally in software exports. We believe going forward, hardware is going to be very critical and very important in India. So semiconductors and businesses related to semiconductors will become more and more critical in India. In our portfolio, the largest investments we have before India are Taiwan, and that's because of the semiconductor industry. And we believe this is going to be coming to India.
So you own 4 stocks in India, and one of them is directly, indirectly a play on semiconductor.
Well, no, it's software.
Okay.
Semiconductors not yet, but I believe going forward, this is going to be important.